Hello, I just wanted to walk you through how to set up your NROC course and unit settings the first time you click through in your course's Blackboard shell. So first we're going to go to Blackboard, and I'm just going to choose one of my current English 002 sections. And I'm going to go into the instructors area, which I always keep hidden from my students. I'm going to go ahead and click on the NROC dashboard. This is the first time I'm doing that for this course, so this menu is coming up. It may ask you to log in if you haven't recently done that, so just let me know if you need your username and password. For the class name, I know that's a semester code. I don't really care about it. I'm just going to make a note here that it's 16 weeks and online. That's my code that I like. And then I'm going to select myself as the instructor. I do have recent class settings that I could inherit, but for the purposes of this instructional video, I'm going to pretend I don't and click Create this class. Now it's asking me to log in. Phew, got in. Okay. So I'm going to go into the Class Settings tab. Got the class name, primary instructor, no secondary instructor. I'm going to allow retakes for my unit reviews, and I'm going to raise the mastery level to 80. And I'm going to leave these both as they are. Email notifications allowed. I think these are really important to help keep you right on top of things with grading. And then, as we're currently doing things for English 002 and BSP 4002, I'm going to say no peer reviews within the NROC system. And then I'm going to click Save Changes. And then I need to move over to the unit content. You'll see a drop-down list for all 10 units. So anything you change, you'll need to change in all 10, unless you are inheriting the settings from a previous course. Okay. I have a Microsoft Word document that's posted to the RISE and the English SharePoint pages. It's right here, and all you need to do is highlight the Unit 1 additional instructions, Control C, switch back over to Blackboard, yes for additional, and Control V. I would keep the scaffolding tips on. You do have the ability to customize these scaffolding tips. I find them to be in good shape as they are, so I leave those. And then I'm going to just keep the second draft checked for instructor review. For most of these essays, I'm comfortable just looking at a rough draft one time before moving on. This is up to the instructor. If you would like to see 2 rough drafts for some of the essays, that's your prerogative. Just don't forget to click Save Changes. I'll go ahead and switch to Unit 2. And again, yes, additional instructions. Go over to the Word document, highlight, Control C, switch back, Control V, and Save Changes. And I'm going to go through and continue to do that all the way through Unit 10. Please note, if you taught this course last semester, that I did significantly adjust the language for the Unit 7 essay, and that is updated on SharePoint. So I strongly recommend that you follow this language. I definitely received stronger essays after I put my foot down on these details. So that's all I have for you today. I hope this was helpful, and have a great semester.